The man accused in the disturbing murders of his wife and children more than 2 years ago was back in court today. Investigators say that Anthony Todt originally confessed to the crime at a Celebration home, then suggested his wife was responsible. West 2's Megan Mulatto is live for us in Osceola County. Megan, what happened inside that courtroom?
Yeah, Todt was back in court this morning for a motion hearing that was filed by the state. It was the last motion hearing that needed to be resolved before his long-awaited and postponed trial begins next week. Investigators say Anthony Todt confessed to killing his family, but now that confession will no longer be used in trial. In a hearing earlier this week, we learned the detectives who interrogated him after he was arrested didn't fully inform him of his Miranda rights before their first interview, which is why a judge has decided to exclude the evidence.
Your Honor, the state's position.
In a motion hearing Wednesday, a judge decided to also exclude references to Todt's mental health, a request made by the state.
Based upon the case law, the state's position is that any evidence about the defendant's mental health status, diminished capacity, or any evidence of Baker Acts would be irrelevant and would mislead the jury in this particular case.
Despite the defense arguing Todt's mental health would be brought up,
it's going to come up, it's going to become relevant.
The judge decided to grant the state's request, meaning the defense won't be able to reference Todt's alleged Baker Act, any suicidal thoughts or mental conditions, unless the court deems those issues relevant. Medications, however, can be mentioned.
There is case law that supports that any medications that Mr. Todt was on at the time of his confessions should be considered if they are established by competent evidence by the trier of fact to make determinations as to the weight and credibility of those confessions.
Now, after detectives say Todt confessed to the crimes, he later pled not guilty, then suggested that his wife was responsible. Now it'll be up to the jury and a judge. His jury trial starts on Monday. Live in Osceola County, Megan Mulatto, West 2 News.